Speaker, sir. Attention of the House is called as regards to people of Goa due to frequent breakdowns and inaccessibility of the website of the Director of Settlement and Land Records, DSLR. The DSLR website is one of the most vital portals among all state government department websites. This vital digital resource houses a wealth of crucial information, including land records, survey plans, mutation cases, status among others. The steps the government intends to take in the matter.
Answer? Or you're going to? Someone else is going to answer. Okay.
Sorry?
Speaker, sir, I rise to reply to the calling attention tabled by Shri Alexo Lorenzo, Honorable MLA. Firstly, please tell him. Let me reply now. You will be getting the copy. Firstly, I would like to acknowledge the importance of DSLR website, which serves as a crucial digital resource for our citizens, housing essential information such as land records, survey plans, and mutation cases status. The recent disruption in the records of rights on the DSLR portal are linked to transliteration components issue. I am pleased to inform the House that this issue has been resolved as of last week, and the portal is now functioning smoothly in this regards. The Dharni application, which is part of our digital infrastructure, is generally operational. However, we have observed slower access times, particularly in talukas and common service centers. This slowdown is primarily due to router bandwidth issue within the Goa broadband network. To address this, the government has already initiated a process to replace the outdated routers through the Infotech Corporation of Goa. We anticipate that this upgrade will significantly improve the performance and accessibility of the Dharni application. The pace at which the records load may occasionally slow down if there are too many logins on the site at once. The current hosting infrastructure, which is a mini cloud, is indeed aging. We recognize the need for modernization and are actively exploring the possibility of migrating our systems to the national government cloud. This move aims to enhance the reliability and scalability of our digital services. Speaker, sir, the government is fully committed to ensuring that the DSLR website and associated digital resources remain accessible and functional. We are taking concrete steps to resolve the current issues and are working towards long-term improvement in our digital infrastructure.
Speaker, sir, I think the Honourable Minister has raised issues like bandwidth being less, applications. Again, I might want to tell the Honourable Minister that there is information of information, you might lose it because of cloud and something. Be very careful. Speaker, sir, this website padha, the OCI, all users, like the Honourable Minister has said, that there has been more logins at one time. There could be possibility. But then, this is a government website. The working hours are limited. There are people who are, having difference of time elsewhere. They even Tenge strikes is going on when everything is off, when our time is, when we are off business time. But all these issues, to get website open, staying in Goa only, it doesn't open. Survey plans, information, forget downloading. Downloading, I think 3-4 days download. So I would request the Minister that this persistent and chronic outrages, they are just not small outrages. There is so much issues because these are technical failures causes but the inconvenience is immense. So steps you are going to take and timeline. It can't be you're going to say, I'm going to do it and I'm going to do it. No. Give me a timeline when it's going to be fully outraged. You're saying your rotors are not, you're going to be replaced. Now tell me one thing, Honorable Honorable Speaker, rotors, moda pasun huyalo tu. Information lose up chances high. So all this, I would want an assurance from the minister that he is going to safeguard the interest, take steps to safeguard the interest of the information which is there, and with a timeline. Two things I want from the Honorable Minister.
Shri Venji, I guess.
Speaker sir, I was just going to the DSLR website. I've got specific concerns. One is this website in line with the National Cyber Security Policy? Is our DSLR website in line with the National Cyber Security Policy? Number one, are we in compliance? Number two, what is in place? What is in place to protect this website from cyber attack? What is in place to protect this particular website from cyber attack? That is my second specific question. And my third one is there any plan to make sure that the Goa State Cyber Security Policy is put in place and this particular website is incorporated into that?
Shri Viresh Borkar.
Speaker sir, I stand to speak on the calling attention move by Alex Lorenzo. Speaker sir, आता वेबसायटीचेर हांव पळयतां आतांच हांव मुद्दम वेबसायटीचेर वचून पळयतालो की ओपन जाता काय ना. वेबसायट ओपन जाता पण जेन्ना आमी सर्वे नंबर घालून त्याचो जो सर्वे नंबर घालून डेटा मागता फॉर्मेट 14 सोदता सो ते मेळना स्पीकर सर. पर्टिक्युलरली खुबश्यो केसीस आसा कित्याक आमी खूब तेंप जालो आतां ऑलमोस्ट म्हाका दिसता 2-3 म्हयने जाले हे कंटिन्युअसली चलता. आतां रिगार्डींग तुमी जो रिप्लाय दिला सायबर सेक्युरिटी एन्ड आतां सायबर सेक्युरिटी इट इज टोटली डिफरंट बट ही वेबसायटीचेर स्पीकर सर हेज्या पयलीं असो इश्यू जायनासलो. आतां रिसंट टायमान म्हटल्यार 3 months बॅक हो कंटिन्युअसली इश्यू चालूच आसा आनी आमी मिस एवरी नाव एंड देन लायक म्युटेशन मॅटर्स बसून आसा नाल्यार तितून आमी हे करता. आनी स्पीकर सर हांव मुद्दम सांगपाक सोदता की खुबश्यो फ्रॉड केसीस ज्यो आसा त्यो आयज जाता आनी खंय ना खंय पर्टिक्युलरली सर्टन सर्वे नंबर्स जे आसा ते ओपन जायना. तेजी फॉर्मेट 14 ओपन जायना. आतां हितून स्पीकर जर अशें दिसून येता स्पीकर आयकून घे हितून अशें दिसून येता खंय ना खंय सपोर्ट करपाक लागून ह्या पर्टिक्युलरली ते सर्वे नंबराचेर कितें तरी फ्रॉडुलंट केसीस जाल्ले आसा लँड ग्रॅबिंग केसीस जाल्ले आसा हेजो जागो जो आसा तेजेर घातलेलो आसा म्युटेशन मॅटर जे आसा ते चेंज जाल्ले आसा. हांगा अश्यो स्पीकर जर स्पेसिफिकली सांगूंक सोदता अश्यो मॅटर्स जाल्या की थोड्यांचो जो जागो आसा तो जागो भलत्याच्या नांवांत जाल्लो आसा ते भायर आसा आनी हेंच्यांनी हांगा लँड ग्रॅब केल्ली आसा आनी तेंचो आतां ओपन केल्यार तेंचो ओपन पासून जायना म्युटेशन हांव तुमकां जाय नाल्यार ते डिटेल दिता ऑलरेडी तेंच्यांनी केस फायल केल्या मिन्स तांकां एवरी नाव एंड देन कोर्टान वयचें पडटा स्पीकर सर कित्याक चॅक करूंक मेळना हांगा सगळीं नांवां चेंज जाता. मात स्पीकर सर जो आन्सर आसा हो आन्सर सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी ना कित्याक सायबर काम एवरीथींग हॅज टू बी मॅनेज बाय द डिपार्टमेंटान ते मॅनेज करपाक जाय. आतां ते जे सांगता की खंय ना खंय आमचेर हें जावपाक शकता दीस इज टोटली रॉंग कित्याक हेज्या पयलू जायनासलें स्पीकर सर आतां इतले लेवलाचेर जाला हांगा खंय ना खंय कितें तरी हिडन एजंडा आसा स्पीकर सर आनी हो हिडन एजंडा आउट करपाक जाय आनी मिनिस्टरान क्लियरिफिकेशन दिवपाक जाय की बाबा हे केन्नाच्यान फूल आतां पासून स्पीकर सर ओपन करून पळया ओपन जायना. मिनिस्टरान मुद्दम ओपन हांव तुमकां जाय नाल्यार आतां तुमच्या फुडल्यान डेमो दाखयता आमचो सिस्टमाचेर. सो मिनिस्टरान म्हाका दिसता हेजी क्लियरिफिकेशन दिवपाक जाय की केन्ना मेरेन हें जातलें आयच्या दिसा भितर हें चालू जातलें काय ना.
Shri Attorney Costa.
Because this calling attention is very important because nowadays जेन्ना हे land grabbing all these issues are there हे track down करपाक म्हाका असो चार गरजेचें. I'll tell you one incident case in my constituency केप्यांक आमगे फातोर्बा one of my relative plots हेजेर डिफरंट एक नंबर गायलो आतां हेजे तुगे सेंटर्स जे आहाय सिटीजन जे सेंटर्स फॉर ऑल दीस हें दिवपाक तेवूय तुगेले हेल्प करपाक शकनाय एंड इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टायम फॉर देम टू गेट द इन्फॉर्मेशन. म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू कम द मिनिस्टर हॅज टू टेक सम प्रिकॉशन सम मेजर्स टू स्ट्रीमलायन दीस नाल्यार तें जावपा ना आनी हे सगळे केसीस ज्यो वाडोयत वयतल्यो तुगेले कांय सिस्टमूय म्हाका सुद्दां जाग्यार जायना. तूं वेबसायट ओपन केल्यारूय वेबसायट ओपन जावपाक शकना आनी आमगे त्या एरियान कितें जाता केपें तिनिया सद्या सिट्युएशन इतलें आहा आमकां नेटवर्काचो इशू आहा बाकीचो सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम आहा एंड देन अगेन दीस वेबसायट इशू. So just see that it takes, you take some steps and put it in place.
Yes.
जे कॉलिंग अटेन्शन आमचे कलिगान हाडला रिजनल बाबान इट्स अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इशू आज आमी पळयता की डिजिटलायजेशन प्लॅटफॉर्म ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर आख्खे देश डिजिटली करूंक सोदता आनी जो आन्सर ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान दिला की डिस्ट्रप्शन इज हॅपनिंग हे आन्सर दिला सो म्हाका अशें डिजिटलायजेशन जेन्ना करता द स्लो डावन इज बिकॉज ऑफ गोवा ब्रॉडबँड नेटवर्क स्पीकर सर one network of government is okay, but you should have a parallel network which is connected, so that असले issues जावपाक जायना स्पीकर सर. आनी हेजे खातीर स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता जो अपग्रेडेशन धरणी पोर्टल is not only in the state of Goa, धरणी पोर्टल is entire country स्पीकर सर. धरणी पोर्टल is integrated with the system of your system of DSLR. And I don't fully agree with what is happening because NIC cloud server, NIC has extended its cloud to a very big system. Unless you have not bought out cloud, because NIC does not give you for free. NIC charges you money. So how much cloud you want, you take from them, you pay them and you take from them because they have big cloud banks, speaker sir. I don't know how you have answered like this, but whatever is there, I don't want to talk much, but I will talk to you seriously, that you take it up seriously. There is no question of hanging. There is a lot of cloud available with NIC. It is up to your department how to get it done. Either your finance has not given them approval to enhance the cloud or what it is, you please look into it. But there are a lot of problems which are happening. And this answer, I don't file satisfactory, speaker sir, because this cannot, maka basna, speaker sir. If required, I will explain to you how it can be done, and it has to be done, speaker sir. And broadband is not the only line which you have to tap with. This is service of the government. If broadband has failed for whatever reason, there are so many other service provided for internet. You tie up with them, speaker sir.
Speaker sir, one second. Speaker sir, just one more point. Especially when now aata mutations zaina, cases zata, land grabs zata, he has to be more careful. All this information kon bahire aata kaprange बाट जुतर kon otta mutation choitalo check kottalo, status of mutation check kotta, record check kotta, survey plan check kotta. This is part of the program. Is it going to be a part of program which will facilitate the land grab? Teka lagun he has to pay more attention. Why I brought it to notice? Bahar san log complain kotta ki information मेळना म्हूण वेबसायटीचेर कोण भायर रावन तेका check करून मेळों जाय. These are online. All these things are online. Why it should create a problem? That's why we have raised this issue. So you have to address it immediately. It can't be like Honorable Member Nilesh Kabral has said. What he has said there should be no issues. NIC portal has got a big cloud. Even we in the IDC are paying quite a lot of money to them. So you pay more money, get the system, rotors, excuse na. So this is a very important issue which we have raised, Speaker sir. So I want a clear-cut answer. Baba, umke disan kotta.
आमगे उला
sir.
Speaker sir, I'm just adding value. If you can take it from here, it's good. Has the department conducted any drill of a cyber attack on your particular DSLR website? If yes, good. If no, I think that could be one of the measures to mitigate such kind of things happening.
Because sir, a very important calling attention has been moved by my colleague Regional Bab with regards to the websites not functioning. Jenna IT चे demand आले त्या वेळार आमी उलयले. Several websites are involved where SSL मु तेका एक layer आसता. 2000 रुपया कित पडटाय to renew it. Many websites even that renewal has not been done. When you all talk about what the Prime Minister says, that Har Ghar Fiber, Har Ghar Jal, Mulyan Har Ghar Fiber, जे सांगला, it is GBBN 2.0 that the IT Minister speaks about. Today, connectivity is a problem. जे आमकां सांगला 700 crore कितें सेंटरांतल्यान येवपा आहाय मू 700 or 750. It is a PPP project with the state, center and PPP model. हे जातलें when basic connection of your DSLR website is not working. What happens on that is they check 1 in 14 mutation. Other speaker sir, speaker sir. Speaker sir. Simply South, false mutation cases even of dead people are mutating in South Goa. This is something that has come on the newspaper on Herald. It says, example, Alex Falero Mutto 1996 and Mello. And the mutation application was submitted in his name in 27/9/2018 under number 75838. And the same was certified by one Carvalho on within 6 days. Now this, they are getting all this information we have got through your DSLR website. This is a very important thing. There are a lot of cases reported by SIT. And if basic necessity the government local sorts because Raj Panchayati in municipality in dusre places je broadband had to be given. You please coordinate with the IT minister and have a solution for this because a lot of people are put local trust is a barik issue, but it's a very important issue. If Goa broadband network you're saying that they are not performing, please tell the IT minister to take them to task. Your reply says that due to router bandwidth issues within Goa broadband network. So I think basically, Honorable IT Minister also, this is a very, very serious issue. And this issue needs to be tackled at the earliest. Amka mantrin sangche time bound, kitli dis lagtale हे करपाक.
Yes.
Speaker, sir, I will address some of the concerns raised by honorable members. Since the calling attention was raised by colleague Sri Alex Lawrence, and the timeline he has asked for, I think within 6 months we will be upgrading.
Too long.
But that is, will be trying to do it before that, but 6 months is the maximum what we are trying to say. And no information or records will be destroyed as it is on cloud services, and sufficient security has been taken through software tools. Even the question of hacking of records will not arise as it is in cloud services. This is as far as your, as our other colleague, Mr. Venzi, Captain Venzi had asked, security audit is constantly done. And since the cyber security policy, since it is with the cyber security policy, and security audit is constantly been done to ensure that any threatening viruses are not entering into the Dharani software. Apart from that, in the event of any contingency, we have got a technical known to how to retrieve the data in the original form. And Mr. Viresh Borkar had asked, records which are not promulgated will not surface in the Dharani portal on account of disputed cases which is ongoing before the ISLR record of rights. And as far as Mr. Nilesh Kabral is concerned, NIC itself is trying to host data on national government cloud instead of data being hosted on private cloud services like Megraj. Drill चालू आहे ना.
एक लास्ट तांकां विचारपाक सोदता आतां 6 months लागतले म्हणटा आतां 6 months पर्यंत ही वेबसायट बंद उरतली आतां स्पीकर जर आतां वेबसायटीचेर कितें येता सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्विनियन्स ओपन केल्यार सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्विनियन्स जाता वी हॅव ओपनिंग इट पर्सनली तुमी ट्राय करूं शकता सो टिल 6 months वी हॅव टू वेट लायक दीस
6 months is basically the maximum time what I have asked for, basically to get everything
but when this website will be working, when we'll be able to get...
No, site is working only, but I am saying all
site
these things...
Site is working, but we are not be able to get Form N14.
No, it's been... that we have said, no, that it has been really very slow. But I have said whatever...
Not slow, it is not opening. Form N14 we are not being able to get. See, any survey number you go through,
there are too many
we are getting
people,
that... sorry...
Sometimes when there are too many people logging into in one site, that's
no. I have tried with different. I have tried with different survey numbers and different villages also. I have tried. We are not been able to open it. There are hidden agenda behind this?
Speaker, sir, we will look into the difficulties. What is going on?
Means 6 months we can't wait.
6 months.
6 months.
Since he has asked me the time frame, I have said 6 months. Since he has asked me the time frame, I have told him 6 months time. We are doing our level best basically to do it at the earliest.
No, Honorable Minister.
Because the time frame
We need to understand that we do not have a Goa state cyber security policy. And without this, it is a big threat to all our
See, आम्हाला
websites.
answer दिवपा जाय
So,
जाल्यार.
are
Extra time लागतो
are you
तो.
assuring
So
the
म्हयने समज
entire
website
Goans
not
that
working
the
as
data
well.
inside the DSLR is safe
ताजे भरपूर
without
झाले
a
आसा.
policy?
वेन्झे कितें जालें काय बिग किटीज म्हणपाची संवय जाल्ली आतां
We do not have a policy in place.
स्पीकर
So,
सर
you just policy सारखं ना.
वेन्झे वेगस
जर national policy in line, policy सारखं ना.
चर्चा भरपूर
जेन्ना
जाता.
आमगे website safe आहाय, सगळ्यो website
सांगता पळय न्ही
सुरेश बोरकर
website safe
ISLR हेडाक मेळ ती ओपन जाता तुवें दुसऱ्या नेटवर्का वयल्यान ओपन करीत जाल्यार ती ओपन जाता तेणी करून पळयली तू जस्ट मेळ आनी पळय तशें
ना ना ओपन जायना ती सारखी तेगे
Check
तेगे
कर.
उक्ती
अरे बहुत
जाता
इनकम हांवें दोन तीन ओपन करून
open
पळयले
जाता.
सेम इश्यू येता दोन तीन हेका सेम इश्यू येता
तुका तुका म्हटलं हांवें DSLR हेडा ताका मेळ दाखयता ती ओपन जाता तेणी ओपन करून
अबे
दाखयली
हो सिस्टमाचेर हांवें ट्राय केलो दोन तीन सेम इश्यू जाता
सायबरा लागून एक
तो इश्यू
खळबळी जाल्ली आहा.
सगळ्या ओपन जावपाक जाय
आतां मेळ दाखयता आतांच मेळ
मेळा येतोय आम चेक कोते
हे पळय आमी हांगा चेक करता पळय
जायना जाल्यार मातशी
सिस्टमाचेर हो
सुविधा
आमचो
बेगीन
सिस्टम
करची
न्हू.
मुख्यमंत्री
हो
मातशी
assemblyचो
सुविधा
system.
बेगीन करची
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
पंचमृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस, जिसका पीला दाना है संपूर्ण पोषण और स्वस्थ जीवन की पहचान। अब घर घर में पंचमृता।